Welcome to the Green Elephant Sanctuary Park, a true home for elephants, not a zoo or circus. Here, rescued elephants roam free, play, and live as they should. Imagine walking into a lush forest and seeing elephants splashing in a river, trumpeting with joy. This sanctuary is built on love and respect. No elephant rides, only kindness. The elephants here were saved from tough lives and now have a safe, forever home. They wander, eat, and make friends, surrounded by nature. The keepers are more like friends, ensuring every elephant is healthy and happy. The park looks just like the wild, with trees, fields, and muddy ponds for the elephants to enjoy. Here, elephants can nap in the sun, scratch on trees, and just be themselves. Visiting teaches us that animals aren't here for our entertainment. They have feelings and deserve respect. Watching elephants play shows us why they need our protection. The sanctuary is a lesson in kindness and a promise to care for all creatures. Let's discover how we can be better friends to these gentle giants. Elephants are the largest land animals, tall as a basketball hoop, heavier than a car. Despite their size, they move quietly thanks to soft footpads. Elephants are plant eaters, munching on grass, leaves, bark, and fruit, eating hundreds of pounds daily. Their trunks are incredible tools for smelling, picking up food, greeting friends, and even showering. The trunk is strong enough to lift logs, gentle enough for a soft touch. Big, floppy ears help them stay cool. Flapping them works like a fan. Their ears also show how they feel, flapping quickly when excited. Every part of an elephant is perfectly designed for wild living. These gentle giants are smart, social, and full of surprises. Let's see what a day is like for one special elephant. Meet Daisy, a playful elephant at the sanctuary. Her day starts with a rumbling good morning to her friends. Breakfast is a feast of fruit and sugarcane. Daisy loves watermelon. After eating, it's time for a splash in the pond. Daisy sprays water everywhere, playing with her friends. Next, a mud bath. She covers herself in mud to protect her skin from the sun and bugs. The mud dries, then she rubs it off on a tree, keeping her skin healthy. Daisy spends her day eating, playing, and relaxing with her herd. As the sun sets, the elephants gather to rest, feeling safe together. The keepers check on them, making sure they have water and snacks. Daisy's life is full of freedom, friendship, and happiness. This is what every elephant deserves. Caring for elephants is a big job, and the keepers are dedicated to their well-being. Each day starts early, preparing mountains of fruits, veggies, grass, and sugarcane. Food is hidden around the park to encourage natural foraging. Daily health checks are vital. Keepers and vets look after their skin, feet, and teeth. Elephants trust their keepers, lifting their feet for cleaning and checks. If an elephant feels unwell, the vet gives extra care. Keepers learn to read elephant body language. Flapping ears mean happiness, stillness means caution. They use gentle training and treats, never force or fear. Visitors are taught to be calm, quiet, and respectful. No riding, just observing. Helping prepare food or watching a mud bath teaches us about true animal friendship. Respect, not control, is the sanctuary's most important rule. This is how we build trust and keep elephants happy. Elephants are endangered, losing their homes and hunted for ivory. Sanctuaries like this one give rescued elephants a safe place to heal and thrive. They offer food, space, medical care, and a loving family. Sanctuaries also teach us why elephants need protection. You can help by learning about elephants and sharing what you know. Say no to elephant rides and ivory products. Support ethical sanctuaries that put animal welfare first. Our adventure ends, but our journey as elephant friends continues. Remember Daisy and her herd. Choose kindness and respect for all animals. Let's promise to protect elephants and keep our hearts open to the wonders of nature.